This is the Christmas tree Maddie and I are reviewing. This is the pre-lit artificial Christmas tree. This is a blue spruce Christmas tree. This is a paid sponsored video, and this Christmas tree was sent to us by the brand. This is not only indoor use, but you can use it outdoor. This is a blue spruce type of Christmas tree. We were able to put it together pretty quickly. It only came in the base and actually only 3 sections to put in. You do have to fluff it out. So it's probably going to take you about, 45 minutes or so, 30 minutes to assemble and fluff this thing out.
And the good part about it is, the 2 ones down here, they just come out, and then the top you just have to fluff.
Right, what Maddie's talking about are the hinged branches. These first 2 sections, the C section and the B section, it just pops out. And the top you have to kind of pull it down a little bit more and kind of shape it a little bit more. Here's the instruction manual. Here's the base. It is a metal base. It folds and collapses. These are the little screws so you can tighten it in so that your Christmas tree won't fall. And this comes, like I said, in 3 sections. Maddie, can you come over here and fluff this section right here? So pull these branches apart. There you go. Grab those branches, pull one up, one down, one sideways. Maddie, do you feel like the gloves that came with it help you?
Yes, I think it does.
We're looking better. We're just gonna have to go around this whole tree doing this. See how you have these gaps here? You come over here and fluff these little gaps as well. We're gonna pull this down a little bit more. See how we're filling that gap in, Maddie?
Yes, I do.
You see that? You see how we're gonna take this one, we're gonna fill this gap in, and take this one up some. It takes a little work, a little artistic ability to get this fluffed out like we really need to. This is the best it's gonna get right now. We still have some fluffing to do. We still have to fluff it out a little bit more, but I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. Maddie, would you plug it in and let's see how it looks? Whoa, that looks so good. This is the 6-foot tall artificial pre-lit Christmas tree. It is a blue spruce style Christmas tree. So I think that this is going to work for us and our family this Christmas.